15, we want to simplify this. The top, I notice, that's a cubic. That's going to do the sophist part. The bottom we'll have to break down. So let's break the top down, n cubed plus 27. Remember, we break it down into a binomial times a trinomial. And the trinomial, we're going to use the idea of sofas. Let's see what happens. We start off with a binomial. We say, what's the cubic root of n cubed? Well, that's very simple. That's an n. What's the cubic root of 27? 3. Again, the sign will stay what was there. So now let's break down. We square this first part. N times n is n squared. O is the opposite sign since it was addition. We do subtraction. F, we fuse these together. 3 times n is 3n. A is just always addition. S, square the final term. Just like that S stood for squaring the first part, that final S stands for squaring that. 3 times 3, 9. This is all over. Oh, we got to break this down. So if we think of the factors of 9, there's 1 and 9, 3 times 3. Which of these will produce a 6? The 3 and 3. So this is simply an n plus 3 times an n plus 3. Well, look, we have two things multiplied up top, two things multiplied down below. No matter what you and I pick for n, whether n is a 5, a 6, a 7, this number right here and that number right there are going to be exactly the same. And anything divided by itself is 1. So these cross out and technically become a 1 over 1. So this simplifies to n squared minus 3n plus 9 on top, and on the bottom, n plus 3. It'd be great if, can I break that down? No, that's not going to break down. It'd be great if it did, but it doesn't. So this is as far as I can take it for problem 15.